You join me today in this beautiful Casino Royale coloured Aston Martin DBS, manual as well. One of the early ones, but a beautiful car. We've done a lot of work on this one over the time. This one you'll actually see in a video that's just come out a few months ago by Quick Fit. It's had a Jody Kidd and Jason Plato and Dan Rowbottom from British touring car fame hooning around Scotland on the North Coast 500. So I'll put a link to the video in the comments below, but do have a look at that because it's great fun. But the idea of the video today is just to showcase something we've been working on for quite some time, and that's the integration of the OEM controller to control our CarPlay system rather than actually the integrated controller there in the ashtray. So in the same way that you would have used the controller here for navigation, you can now use it for our CarPlay system, as you see. So push it down, it's back, push it down again, goes back again, and then by you moving it left and right, you can scroll through the particular apps on your CarPlay system. So for instance, if I go into Spotify there, other music apps are available. Then we can select the music you want and skip through the tracks as well, like that. However, it also integrates on the steering wheel controls here, so you can skip through the tracks on the steering wheel, as well as increasing and decreasing the volume as and when you want to. And I shall go back now to Waze, for instance, or Google Maps or Apple Maps, whichever you prefer, and you can still skip through the tracks on there as well. And you hear that's playing music there. Track being in quietly, but you hear that in the background. So yeah, it's available for this type of dashboard, what we call VH2, either as a retrofit option if you've already got a CarPlay system, or as a fresh installation. There we go, music coming in there. Or as a fresh installation with our HD system as well. Now this is for both CarPlay and Android Auto as well, and it's a wireless connectivity system to it, so no cables, and it keeps the dashboard nice and clean. So do get in touch if you're interested in this or like to discuss anything further. Don't forget, we've moved premises now as well, and we're undertaking servicing and maintenance to your Aston Martin at the same time as doing our electronics. So thank you very much.